Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying which Apple ID is active on your iPhone or Mac. This avoids accidental data mix-ups. Once signed in, back up iCloud to prevent data loss before any change. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled and you can access your Gmail account credentials. You'll need them soon. Use a stable Wi-Fi and keep your device passcode handy. Now open Settings or System Settings and tap your name to begin the change process immediately. You'll go to Name, Phone, Email, and choose Edit to replace or add an email address. This is how Apple links accounts. Enter the Gmail address you want, then request a verification code. Apple sends a code to that Gmail. Open Gmail, retrieve the code, and enter it promptly. Once verified, Apple updates your Apple ID email and signs you out on other devices for security. Make sure apps using the old address are prepared for re-sign-in. Some services may prompt you. After verification, sign back into iPhone, iPad, Mac, and any Apple TV using the new Gmail Apple ID so data syncs correctly. Update subscriptions, email settings, and reauthorize iMessage and FaceTime. This prevents message gaps. If you run into errors, like verification emails not arriving or Apple saying the address is in use, start account recovery or use the Apple Support verification code process. Keep calm and follow prompts. Usually resolving the email conflict or re-sending the code fixes the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.